We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP OfficeJet Pro 7740 and we're going to show you how to replace the inks today. So if you've been getting a low ink warning or replace ink warning and you've just gotten the printer or it's been a while since you've changed and you don't remember exactly where to do it, it's a very simple process. We're just going to walk you through the couple steps it takes in order to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is there's a little finger groove on the right side of the printer. You can go ahead and just lower this front door here. And we'll give the printer a second to center the print head with all the printer or ink cartridges with it. And then you're going to find whichever color that needs to be replaced. In this case, they're yellow. And you're going to push straight in. You'll hear a little click and release, and the cartridge comes right out. So it's extremely simple. Once you have your new cartridge and you're ready to install it, you're going to slide it right back in, push straight in until you feel that little click, and when you release, it should be nice and even with all the other ones. If you feel like you can give it just a slight little tug just to make sure that everything's nice and firmly seated in there. You're going to repeat that process for any of all the inks that need to be replaced. And then once you're done with that, just close up that front door. Give the printer a second to initialize, and then once it's back to its full ready state, you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.